candy of his very own. Well, do you want to go, boy? Huh? Want to go out and get candy? Huh? Do you? Do you want to go? Huh? Okay, let's go to the attic and find some costumes for tonight. You know, just between you and me, there are times when I love it. There should be some great Halloween costumes up here somewhere, Odie. John has never thrown anything away. Here's John's first bow tie. Some sunglasses, Cousin Wanda's wig, and Orpheus' Joey Ogle's roots, sealing wax, and all that funny stuff. Well, I guess there's nothing here. Very funny, Odie. Come on, let's... The mother lode. Look at all this great stuff, Odie.
Hi, baby.
With these costumes, we can be anything we want. Could I be? There's so many sides to me.